Imagine waking up one day and realizing a robot just took your job. Not in 2050, not in 2035. Right now, AI is replacing writers, designers, coders, editors, assistants, even teachers. But here's the crazy part. The same AI tools replacing jobs can make you money instead. Today, I'll show you 10 AI tools that are growing insanely fast and how complete beginners are using them to win. Before we go further, let's simplify something. What is AI? AI is just a computer system that learns patterns. That's it. It doesn't think like humans. Predicts based on data. If you show AI millions of photos of cats, it learns what cats look like. If you show it millions of sentences, it learns how humans write. Its prediction at tool number 1, chat-based AI writers. These tools can write essays, emails, scripts, captions in seconds. Instead of spending 3 hours writing, you spend 3 minutes editing. People are using this to write YouTube scripts, sell blog articles, create ebooks, manage client emails. This alone has created thousands of new freelancers. Tool number 2, AI image generators. You type, a futuristic city at sunset, and boom, it appears. No drawing skills needed. People are selling thumbnails, posters, book covers, social media graphics. AI didn't kill artists, it created faster artists.